Are you a busy mom or someone who comes home after a long day with no energy to cook? Don't worry, I have the perfect recipe for you. Today I am sharing an easy, delicious one pot chicken, rice, and pesto meal that's packed with juicy chicken, colorful vegetables, fluffy rice, and rich, flavorful pesto. Everything cooked together in one pot, which means less washing up, less time in the kitchen, and more time to relax. It's wholesome, family-friendly meal that's simple to make and perfect for busy weeknights. So let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients first. I am using 4 cup of cooked jasmine rice that had in the fridge. Leftover rice is actually perfect for recipes like this because it gives you the best texture. For the chicken, I bought pre-diced chicken from the supermarket, so there is no chopping needed. For the vegetables, I am using frozen mixed vegetables, which includes carrots, green peas, and sweet corns. I also have one onion finely chopped, two large tomatoes chopped, some sliced jalapenos, ginger and garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. For the spices, I am using 1 teaspoon of each chili powder and black pepper powder and turmeric. Add to add more aroma, I have 1 bay leaves, a few cardamom pods, and few cloves. Finally, I am using both uh, green and red pesto. I also have pesto mayonnaise. I am not sure if it's available where you live, but here in Australia you can easily find pesto mayonnaise in most supermarket. First, we are going to cook the chicken. Since this is one pot meal, make sure you use a large pan that's big enough to hold all the ingredients from the start to finish. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Once the oil is hot, add ginger and garlic paste. Saute it few seconds until it's fragrant. Then add the chopped onion and sliced jalapenos. Cook everything together for a couple of minutes until the onions start to soften. Now it's time to add the chicken. I am using a whole packet of pre-diced chicken that I bought from the supermarket. I didn't have to cut or prepare anything. That's exactly how I bought it. Like I said, this is perfect meal for those lazy days when you want something delicious without spending too much time in the kitchen. Cook the chicken for a few minutes, then add the cardamom pods, cloves, and bay leaves. Give everything a good stir and let those wonderful flavors infuse into the chicken. At this stage, make sure you cook the chicken properly. Keep stirring it occasionally and let it cook until it's fully done. Now my chicken is almost cooked. It's time to add the rest of the ingredients. I am adding few slices of onion. but I am keeping about half of the onion aside. We will add at the end of the cooking so it stays nice and crunchy. Right now, I am just adding a few onion rings to build more flavor. Next, I am adding tomatoes and the frozen mixed vegetables. I am also keeping spring onion for later. We will add the spring onion and the remaining onion rings at the end to keep them fresh and crisp. Now it's time to add the spices. Turmeric, chili powder and black pepper powder. Give everything a good mix so all the vegetables and chicken are evenly coated with the spices. We haven't added any salt yet. So now it's time to season everything with salt. Mix it all together well and let the flavors come together. Now it's time to add the pesto. I am adding the red pesto first. I am using about 4 teaspoons of red pesto. Add it to the pan and mix everything together really well, making sure the chicken and vegetables are evenly coated. Look at for another minute so the pesto blend beautifully with all the other flavors. I also added 1 tablespoon of pesto mayonnaise, but unfortunately it didn't get captured on camera. Give everything a good mix so the pesto coat the chicken and vegetables evenly. Then add the cooked rice and gently mix everything together until all the ingredients are well combined. When everything is mixed, turn off the heat. Now add the spring onion and the remaining onion rings. Give it one final mix to keep them fresh and slightly crunchy. And that's it. Our one pot pesto chicken rice is ready to serve. It's delicious, comforting, nutritious, and complete meal that's perfect for busy weeknights. If you ever struggle to cook dinner after a long day, give this recipe a try. Just pick up a pack of diced chicken on your way home. Keep some frozen vegetable in your freezer and you will have a quick, easy and satisfying meal ready in no time. Thanks for watching.